giant mess. Trying to figure out how to organize this lab. I've got this plain old box filled with resistors, capacitors, diodes, what's this? Connectors, more diodes. Not helpful right now. What I'm looking for is some straight pins. There's some straight pins right there. There's 2 of them in that bag. And there's the rest of them that I was looking for. What I really wish I had for this lab is a 3-way switch, where if I could have one connected and then suddenly switch over to the other thing connected. That is not well described with what I'm drawing there, but I want something that I could just shift over and connect one and disconnect the other at the same time. Here's the official circuit diagram that I want to connect with a 9-volt battery, a capacitor, and a diode, and it looks like there's no resistor in here at all. Oh no, there is a resistor. It's just very small right there in the middle. Okay, it occurs to me the one way I could set it up is to charge up the capacitor with one switch, and then actually move your finger over to discharge the capacitor with the other switch. Okay, now I've got that circuit hooked up, so I should be able to push this one to charge it, except I don't. I need to there's something missing right here. Oh, okay, now let's see how this goes. I'm going to charge it, charging the capacitor, and then I'm going to discharge it, and that went really fast. Well, for one thing, there's no resistors in there. Okay, now I've put a 620 ohm resistor in this circuit, but it's connected through the leads by the little alligator clips right there. So I will charge the capacitor, and then I will discharge. Probably you didn't really notice much of a change in the amount by which it took to discharge, did you? Okay, so it's still kind of slow. Well, the capacitor that we have there is a 100 microfarad capacitor. We are supposed to be using a 1000 microfarad capacitor. The lab says that the negative lead of the capacitor is represented by a black band with a minus symbol along with arrows to point in the direction of the negative lead. Okay, so there's the negative signs. They look, I would not necessarily identify those as negative signs if I hadn't been told, but the arrows do point towards the negative lead, it says.